In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit statuses in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a project, coordinating with a team, or optimizing your personal workflow, keeping your task statuses clear and aligned with your processes is key. ClickUp, a powerful productivity and project management tool, allows you to customize statuses to fit your unique needs. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of editing task statuses in ClickUp, ensuring your workspace is organized, efficient, and tailored to your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign in to your ClickUp account using your preferred method. You can log in with your email and password, or you can use a single sign-on option if that's available to you. After signing in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you're part of multiple workspaces within ClickUp. You'll want to double-check that you're in the one where you want to update status settings. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all your spaces and navigation options. Locate the specific space you want to update when you see it. Hover your mouse over the space name. A three dots icon will appear right next to it. Go ahead and click on that icon. From the menu that pops up, select the option labeled Task Statuses. This will open up the status editor for that space. In the editor, you'll see a list of all the current statuses for your tasks. If you need to rename any of them, simply click on the status name. Type in a new name that's clear and action-oriented, something that makes sense for your workflow. While you're at it, you can also assign colors to each status. These colors serve as quick visual cues, making it easier to identify the status of a task at a glance. Next, you can drag and reorder the statuses by moving them around within the list. Arrange them in a way that reflects the natural flow of your workflow, ideally from left to right. If there's a status missing from your process, you can add a new one. Look for the option to add a new status and then set it up as needed. On the other hand, if you spot any outdated statuses that no longer serve a purpose, you can remove them. Be careful when deleting a status, as you'll need to confirm how any tasks assigned to that status should be reassigned before proceeding. It's also a good idea to designate a final status, such as done or closed. This is important for accurate reporting and for any automations you may have set up in ClickUp. Speaking of automations, if you have any workflows that rely on specific status names, make sure to review those automations, update them if necessary to ensure they continue working as intended with your new status setup. Once you've finalized all your changes, click Apply or Save, depending on the button that appears. This will confirm your updates and apply them to your space. If you manage multiple spaces and want a consistent setup across all of them, you can repeat this process for each space. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit statuses in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp, be sure to check out the link in the description below to create your account and start customizing your workflow today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.